Hey guys, my name is De.Fi Crypto, and on this channel we talk about the hottest crypto projects and launches. And today guys, I have another exciting crypto project. This time I'm going to talk about, in my opinion, one of the biggest, if not the biggest, crypto launches of the year 2024. But before that, I need to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not financial advice. Always do research, and let's check out today's project. So today we're talking about a project called DeFi or D.Fi, and in my opinion, this could be the biggest crypto launch of the year 2024, and it's happening tomorrow. So today we're going to learn more about the project. I'm going to explain you why I think this project could be really bullish, and actually bullish really long term, because I think this utility is really needed in the crypto space. And of course, crypto space is only growing and it's here to stay. So as usual, let's jump into their main page to actually learn about the features, about the details, and later we're going to jump in and talk more about the actual sale and how can you participate and buy these tokens. So DeFi, let's call for this video, this project DeFi, because D.Fi is pretty hard for me to say. So it's a Web3, SocialFi, and antivirus super app. And when they say super app, I would totally agree, because this app does so many different things, and lots of people and lots of users are already enjoying it, because it's not a new project. They have been raising money for a long time, but finally they're launching, and they picked a really great time, because I feel like now we're at the start of the new bull run. And if you launch at the beginning, of course, you have the full bull run to actually grow the project and of course grow the value of the project, and this way the early investors, like people watching, can actually benefit the most. So let's jump in and see all the features, all the details, all the bullishness about the project. So first off, they have some of the numbers. So the total value tracked is over 26 billion, contracts are tracked 76,000. So they have all the key statistics right here. Next up, they have the investors, and the list is truly impressive. I would say, again, one of the best investor lists I've seen in a while, maybe even ever. And let's take one example. For example, Hof Capital. So let's jump into the Hof Capital to see what kind of projects they invested before. So one of these projects is SpaceX, Stripe, OpenAI. I think they also have Tesla. So yeah, I would say pretty big companies. And if these funds like Hof Capital actually pick out these projects like DeFi and invest their money and actually put their logo on their page, it means these big funds actually did the research, they checked the product, they actually checked the team, and they think the project is bullish. So I think this research matters a lot for us retail investor, because we don't have that much money to actually do the research. So I think this is a really bullish signal for the project. After that, we have our angels. And again, we see really powerful people. You can see people from Binance, from Coinbase, from other really big projects, Polygon. So again, you can see really experienced people in the space with this project, which is again, really, really bullish in my eyes. We have exchange investors. Again, lots of big names. And actually, they're going to be launching lots of exchanges. We're going to talk about it a bit later. After that, we have the KOLs. All of the biggest people in this space are talking about this project. Next up, some of the testimonials. We also have some of the partners, media. You can actually check all the articles, some of the retweets. You can see also people like CZ, again, one of the biggest names in crypto. And now let's talk about the actual features and integration. So start off, they are showing off all the chains that are integrated. And again, the list is really impressive. Almost all of the popular chains are here. And if it's not here, they're actually working on it. It's coming soon. You can see how many of these chains are coming soon. So this is why I think this project could be really bullish long-term, because they're working with all of these chains, and you can actually use all of their tools with all of these popular chains. And of course, this is way easier to have it all in one app than actually to check out for different products, different like tools on each different chain. That's why I think DeFi could be the all-in-one app we all needed. And after that, we have some of the key features of the platform. So first of all, dashboard, you can see all the information, the wallets, claimable, and with the dashboard, of course, you can track your balances, stake amounts, and all the other assets. After that, you can see the portfolio. Again, you can track all of your assets in one place, which is again really useful and really good. Next up, they have deposits. So better tools for deposits powered by our comprehensive functionality. Monitor all of your funds that you've staked within the pools, stakings, and more. And you can also identify new profitable opportunities. After that, transactions, explore yields, NFTs, of course, which I think are also coming back. Yeah, I know NFTs are kind of a joke right now, but these new NFTs with a utility, with real world trades, I think this is the future. I actually even did a video about a similar project, which they actually added so much utility to NFTs. That's why I think NFTs are coming back in this year, 2024. After that, actually, they have lots of security features. And this is what I actually used. Even before doing this video, I did actually use DeFi tools. So the first one is Shield. It automatically checks smart contracts for known security issues. And you can see all of these features and all the statistics. So 90,000 contracts scanned, almost 3 million vulnerabilities found, and 150,000 high and critical vulnerabilities detected. So just from these numbers alone, you can understand this is not a new project promising some features. This is an actual project working right now with a really good track record, big investors, big funds. That's why I think this project is bullish, and I think this project is bullish long term. It's not like a quick play, just pump and dump. I think this could be a long-term investment, which will continue to grow. Again, not a financial advice, but this is just my personal opinion. After that, they have a scanner, and I actually personally do use these scanners. So mitigate DeFi risk with scanners, so you can rapidly check out different smart contracts and audits. After that, audit database and rec database. So you can actually see the past scams and actually learn from it, which I think is really good tool, because the scams are always evolving, but they always have some similarities. So actually, if you learn about the past scam, you can detect the future scams and of course, save yourself this way. So this was just a quick intro about the project. Of course, in my opinion, this is really a winner project. I'm all in. Again, not financial advice, but I'm all in because I think this is the tool we need. It's already working. Again, big investors behind it, which of course has some knowledge about the projects, about business. So I think the project is extremely bullish. And now let's talk about the launch. So it's launching tomorrow. Let's jump into their Twitter page. Actually, they have, you can see, 255,000 followers. It's crazy. I would say one of the biggest projects I ever covered on this channel. So the listing is happening tomorrow, 31st, and you can see the list of exchanges they're going to be listing on. So HTC, Bitgate, Gate.io, KuCoin, Bitmart, MEX, and the biggest, in my opinion, Bybit. Again, this is one of the biggest, if not the biggest crypto launches. This year, definitely the biggest launch because you can see all of the main exchanges, tier 1 exchanges. In my opinion, this project will be definitely listed on Binance or on Coinbase. Again, this is a total speculation, so not financial advice, but in my opinion, this project should be there. And actually, a few days ago, they even listed some more bullish news that they're going to be working with IBM, one of the biggest companies in the world. You can see we're proud to announce that DeFi is providing its security data and databases to IBM. Again, a huge partner. What else? I also want to talk about the numbers. They actually achieved 1 million users. You can see January 27th. 1 million users have signed up for the DeFi social profile. Again, crazy big number, one of the biggest platforms in crypto. And the last thing I want to mention is the airdrop. So DeFi airdrop season 1 scheduled for the February 2024. You can see they haven't taken snapshot. The post was posted 15 hours ago, so you can still actually try and get this airdrop. So in my opinion, one of the biggest launches, amazing partners, amazing utility. The platform is already working. Million users signed up. Biggest exchanges. I don't know. Sounds really bullish to me. Launching tomorrow. All the information and all the links in the description. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments or join my free Telegram group. It's going to be in the description and top comments. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.